Hello guys, it's your DIY house husband here again, and in this video we will be changing that bulb, the signal light for the left and right, because it's already dim and it's dangerous to have it that way. I already changed the other one, this one. So this is the old one. That's the connector, the connection. This is the connector. I just cut it off because it's different from the new one that I bought. So in this video you'll be needing this one, scissors, electrical tapes if you want to use, or connectors if you don't want to use electrical tapes, and of course your brand new light. So as you can see, this one is already uh, it has its wire, but for this it's a different connector, so we need to cut actually the connector. Okay, so in my experience for the first bulb, it is best to remove the brand new bulb. So this one, you just push it. Okay, the same with the old bulb. So you can just push it from the inside, or you can slowly pull it here. Okay, so it. So this is the old one, so you can just remove this one. And I don't want to use the rubber again. So to remove the rubber, you can just uh, pull it down, and then okay, so you can easily remove it so that we can use our new rubber. Okay, but before that, we need to clean this part. Remove the dust. Okay, and then you can replace the new rubber. You can put it just have your way, and the same with how you remove it. You just press it, press the edges. Okay. Yeah. Maybe you can put it like that first. Okay, so I think that's it for our, and try to remove it if you can remove. And it means that it is loose, but I think I cannot remove it. So I think that's it already. Okay, I'm gonna pull this one, and of course we need to remove part. Maybe I can pull it a bit. Okay, so do not cut here because you might use this one if you have a bulb like this. So I think I'll be cutting it here so that I have a leeway if I'm going to connect this one to the other connector. Maybe I'll have it that way. Okay, and of course let us strip the wires. other wire. And of course, we need to strip the wire of our brand new, put that aside, our brand new signal light. So this one is made in Taiwan. The brand new light is made in China. Okay, and before you connect this one, since this is LED, there's polarity. So my advice is you turn on the signal light switch and try to connect it. If it will turn on, if it will not turn on, you will just switch the connection. So let me just turn on the signal light. Okay, so I did turn on the signal light. If you try to look at here, you can see that the other one is blinking. So let us have the connection here, and be careful not to, let the two touch each other. Maybe I'll try my, okay, so it's turning, so you can see it's turning on. So in my case, the red wire goes to my white. So let us try to reverse it. If I'm going to reverse it, as you can see, it's not turning on. Okay, but if we make the correct connection, this one, see, it is turning on. Okay, so let us turn off the signal light so that we can connect this one safely. Okay, so let's connect. As I said earlier, I have my yellow connected with my white wire. Okay. Okay. And have your black connected to your black wire. Okay. So it's my practice to have my red electrical tape used in my positive line. So my positive line is, of course, we all know that the black is usually the ground. So I'll just tape my yellow and white line, white wire with the red. So in taping this one, tape it properly. Do not use too little tape, because this will insulate the connection. It will prevent short circuits. Okay, and as for my ground wire, I'll use my black tape. Oops. I think we did not properly connected that one. Okay. So if you have soldering iron, you can use soldering iron to strengthen the connection of this one, or thermal tube. But in my case, I'll just have it this way. Okay, and let us return it to its wire loom. Okay, let's remove the dust. Okay, and then of course, the same with how we remove it. We will just have to put it like that. Okay. 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 Yeah, be sure that it fits exactly. Okay. So I think that's as solid as steel. Let me try to turn on the signal light if it is working. Okay, so our signal light is working and it's quite strong. So yeah, that's one of the thing that you can do it yourself. So with that, thank you guys for watching our video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our small channel. Thank you.